Hello. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible because I think I need to be watching the Scentsy end of month live video, but I've got a big box of cool stuff and I want to show you guys. Let me get all the paper out. Sorry for the noise. Let's see. So, I've almost got all the paper. Did I get 2 of those? Interesting. Okay, let me get this little box out and then I'll show you guys. So all of that in this big old box. Okay, so some of this is not for me. One of my freebies was the Jammy Time body cream. I freaking love Jammy Time. Oh my gosh. I've been out of body cream for like 2 months. And this thing lasts forever. It's super, super thick, so you don't need much. So, oh, that smells so good. I love it. Let's see, so that was one of my freebies. I think I got it for like 68 cents after the host rewards. And then this is the child warmer for somebody's mom, one of my friends that lives near me, her mom. And then this is one of her items. I think her name's Kaylee, so she got a tub of washer whiffs in Jammy Time. She did the Laundry Love bundle, and so I'm thinking the rest of hers is in this small box. Let's see. Okay. Because I think this is my mom's, this other Jammy Time. You see a pattern? Jammy Time is where it's at. It smells so good. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Let's see. There should be another. Okie dokie. So, for the rest of the Laundry Love bundle that Kaylee got, it comes with the, hello Laura, it comes with the, what's this called? Laundry liquid, and it's in Jammy Time. And then she got a Jammy Time dryer disc, and then a clothesline dryer disc. So I think she wanted to try 2 different scents, which is smart, because you can mix and match. And then she's got that whole bundle. Her clothes are going to smell so freaking good. And then my mom wanted some Jammy Time laundry liquid. And I looked at all the stuff we have, and it's taking us forever to go through all of the laundry that we have. This stuff lasts forever. You only use 4 pumps for like big loads, and we never make small loads. But if you have a small load, you only use 2 pumps. So Mom got this while it was on sale. Let's see, what else? Okay, this was another freebie we got from the host rewards. Jeweled pomegranate hand soap. I think I'm going to make an updated hand soap video later today because the way that I do it's a little different now. And then this is part of the new collection coming out with the body line. This is Just Breathe, and I love Just Breathe so much. So that's the hand soap in Just Breathe. And then also coming out in the body wash, which is perfect timing because we just used the last of the Dancing Sugar Plums body wash. And so Garrett was like, we need more body wash. I was like, don't worry, we have one coming. So that's going into the bathroom immediately. And then the last thing is the hand cream. The body cream is also coming in Just Breathe, but this was the new season sales kit I got as a consultant. I got it early. So I'm probably going to go back and get the body cream in Just Breathe because it's the best like eucalyptus relaxing smell ever. It's got lemon in it. I think a little bit of spearmint, but it doesn't smell like Vicks Vapor Rub, if that's what you're envisioning. It smells super spa-like. I love it. I love it. Okay, this is also for Kaylee's mom. She got the clip and the warmer, so I have to bag that up. And then one of my dad's co-workers picked out some stuff. Where is it? Okay, yeah. So Miss Patricia got baked apple pie wax bar. She got a polar bear hug car bar. And she also got peppermint rush wax bar. So let me go ahead and separate that so I don't forget whose it is. So if you live in Antioch and you're willing to pick up for my dad, then let me know. For my local orders, I do them about every 2 weeks now. So let me know. He works at Nashville State Community College, so I'll send him with things to drop off to different people. This is for Patricia. Okay, so Miss Patricia got her stuff ready. I'll probably throw in some samples later when I get off the camera. And then this bag is for Miss Yana. She's got the Go-Go Mango Wax Collection. Comes in a decorative bag, so cute. Here's the Scentspirations. And then when you open it, it's got the information on the classic scent down here, and then all the 3 new twists on it. I'm gonna straighten this up. So cute. So cute. I like that. Okay, so it's gonna be, if you get it, it's still available. I mean, this thing is going strong. It's only $20 for all 4. It stayed secure right there, so that's good. So they don't like fall out in transit. Let's see. Okay. I don't want to pop it open because it's not mine. So I'm just going to try to straighten them up. Okay. That's super good. I love the mango shortcake. It is the sweetest, most delicious fruity scent ever. Okay. Let me put that in there. Go down. Go down. There we go. Okay. Hello, Kaylee. I'm unboxing your stuff right now. You might have to scroll back. I've already unboxed it, but I've got it on the side here, and then I'm gonna drop it off. Maybe Thursday, because I work tomorrow. There we go. There's that one. Okay, and then random stuff that me and my mom got because, you know, the February is the sale month for all of the fall and winter stuff. So let's see. Is this ours? I guess it is. Okay. Okay, good, good. So I'll be able to like drop it off. I'm probably gonna use the big box because it's kind of heavy. I got Blue Grotto, which is a classic. No, this isn't mine. That's right, it's yours. It's Kaylee's. Okay. I was like, I don't remember getting just 3 waxes. Okay. This is Kaylee's Blue Grotto. And then we've got a Luna, which is like what everybody loves. Luna is one of the few scents that comes in literally everything. You can get it in body. You used to get it in pet. Pet is leaving right now, but it's in everything. And then Black Raspberry Vanilla. If you've never heard, Black Raspberry Vanilla actually cleans warmer dishes. So you can use a cube of it, let it melt in any dirty wax dish, and then when you clean it out, it like lifts all of the stains from other waxes. So I just cleaned some of mine, but I have this warmer right there. That one needs to have its dish cleaned because it's got like a lot of the yellow waxes leave behind residue, I've noticed, and I've been warming spiced eggnog, so that one leaves a residue, but I'm going to clean that one, and I think I'm going to get my tester of Black Raspberry Vanilla and clean it out with that and make a new video to make sure y'all know all the cool and easy ways to clean your dishes. Okay, I got a couple oils and then we're almost done. So I got vetiver and sandalwood for a backup because, let's see if I can show you my diffuser right there. I use vetiver and sandalwood and citrus and sage religiously. I love it so much. So this is a backup because it's going away. I don't know if it'll come back, but it's going away. I was sad. And then I got Seaside Lily. I think I'm going to take my smaller diffuser that's over here. It's the jeweled deluxe diffuser. I think I'm gonna put it in the bathroom for a little while, and then I think that this Seaside Lily, diffusing that in the bathroom while taking a shower, it's gonna be great. So I'll let you know if I try that. And then Awesome Apple is one of my mom's faves. Hey Allie. And then I got some new stuff that's coming out on March 6th. So this is the early access wax that I got. So I got 2 of each. It's so pretty, look at it. It's so Easter and springy. I like it. The first one is Mandarin Zest. Let's see, I don't know if that's really focusing, but let's smell it. Okay. That smells good. It kind of smells like Sunny D, like that drink you drink, but not as orangey. It's a different kind of, like a relaxed orange smell. I like that. I'm gonna make samples of these 3 scents for my Scentsy Clubbers. So Mandarin Zest coming out on the 6th, and I got Pinkberry Fluff. Ooh, that smells like cotton candy. I like it. It's like a gentle vanilla cotton candy, so it's like very childlike. I like it. I think this one's gonna be popular. I think a lot of kids would like that too, if they had a warmer in their room. And the last scent, Violet Sponge Sugar. Ooh, okay. It's a little florally, but honestly, it kind of smells like grape. I don't know. It smells like grape. Cotton candy. Hey, Sally. It smells like grape cotton candy, kind of. So yeah, I like it though. That's the Easter collection. When you get it on the 6th of March, it comes as a 3-bar bundle for $17. So you save $1 on all of it. But I think I'm gonna end up putting Pinkberry Fluff in my Scentsy Club. Yes, for sure. So that's everything. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.